What's up, guys? From the last part of Secrets of Grindea, we just beat up Ghetto Team Rocket, and on our way to be the masters of this exam.
You're gonna become Elite Four, man.
Maybe we can be the Pokemon Master.
You already caught my first Pokemon, dude.
He has his first Pokemon, the Cloud.
Let's go,
Let's
man.
go, man.
Uh,
Oh, man, we got Lumberjack, man. Let's go. It's a fine day. Better if I fix my wagon.
He's kicking his own shit, dude.
Dude, I'm just gonna tell you, this isn't like simple logic, but you know, this wheel goes into that thing. Done. Fixed.
It's a weird prank. Bam!
Okay. We killed the plant, dude.
Get
Dude,
the fucking way
go
up.
back and forth, go back and forth. That looks like you're dancing. Go.
God. You see that chest down there, dude? Like,
Yo.
how do we
Is
get
like
there,
a
dude?
secret way to get in here? Fling against the wall.
There has to be.
Seems like there's no way. Let's just kill things.
Oh. Feel like there's a way. There's a will, there's a way.
There's a will, there's a way. That's correct, man.
Probably later on.
Maybe. Let's just kill some more bunnies, dude. They're dangerous. Oh, there's another plant. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Whoa!
Bam!
Whoa!
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Even he's okay with us. Oh. Arrival. Luke.
Dude, this has to be Gary.
This is the Gary of our game. Oh,
Like, it just,
maybe he is the nice guy. He said he was worried about us.
yeah, man.
But I think he's Gary. He was worried he couldn't go load over somebody.
Woo!
That's a kind of
I love
Gary kind of guy. What?
New skills, dude. Leveled up.
I'm gonna level up my skills too. I forgot about that. Berserk style. Enter a battle style that favors offensive players. You'll be probably want to check more info on this one.
That's pretty cool, dude.
Let's go. Berserker. Oh, I just put points in. Wait,
Dude, look at
your
this new
attack.
Scott got. I got like little orbs around me. It's like, wee.
Ah, let's go with this one. Oh, don't have any more mystical ball.
Look, it's hovering around me.
Meow. Hurry, lads. First challenge it starts. Okay.
Fucking you.
Hey, I can push you. Let's go. Come on,
I'm
man.
moonwalking, dude. I'm moonwalking.
You're drunk. Okay. So we're at the arena. Wait, we're at our arena for an exam? That's kind of horrible. Okay, so at least they got forms. Wait. This is the Gary of the game. Just button through? Getting his first Pokemon before we get our first Pokemon? That's not how it works here.
He just shoved you out of the way, dude.
I bet you he is the kind of guy that grabs the Squirtle after you pick the Charmander. That's a horrible person right
Every
there.
time.
Every time. Doesn't even matter. Oh, chest.
Ooh. Holy shit.
Oh my god, we just got an upgrade.
Oh. Oh, my magical wand.
I don't want the magical one.
Ooh, look at me.
Oh my
swing
god, dude.
magical wand.
Dude, it's a
Let me
Kanochi.
cast my spell, dude.
Oh, ninja. Ninjas.
Whoa, dude, I got 4 cubes. Can I have more?
Did you level it up?
I just activated it again. That's
Oh
awesome.
man, that's cool. Let's go. Yeah, we're ready for exams.
Hell
do
yeah,
you
dude.
think-
Oh.
Oh, and final time. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the most important event of the year, the collector's exam. Competition this year, again, is truly scenic plot. Hopefully. So we're in like a arena competition. It's probably gonna be like a monster coming out. So we're going to be fishing. Okay. I mean, Gong went fishing once and he passed his exam. I think we can pass ours too. How do you fish?
I'm professional fishing, dude.
Oh, whoa,
Fish thinks it's getting away, dude. Hell no. I got it.
It's juking me. It's trying to juke me. Oh, we got our fish. We won. We got a win,
Too good.
Win's so good. It's so fresh. How did he beat us in half of the time? We took like 15 seconds. This boy had been taking 7 seconds. He must have ran out there, grabbed the fish out of the pond.
Rigged.
Rigged. Just like anything else in this world, it's rigged. Let's go and do the next challenge. Are you ready for your next challenge? No. Okay, so probably gotta do the puzzles.
Puzzle madness.
So we gotta put those like keyhole squares into the other keyhole squares. Let's get top one done first, left one, and then right one. Okay, let's do this.
Do the left one.
Okay. Whew. Man, I took the easy one. Ah. This way. This way. Good old Zelda-like puzzle, you know. Try pushing the keystone. I think the puzzle is done. This. We're too good. We're too good. He cannot beat our time this time. If he beat our time, these puzzles must have been solved right in front of him. How'd you beat us? You must have 7 people working under you.
7 people. Holy shit.
I bet you Luke's helping you.
Let's see, I'm right.
He got 0 points. Never mind. He's just bad.
Okay, retarded.
Let's go. Sometimes you just got them friends. Final in our last. Oh, there we go. A round that should be at our arena. Fighting. Let's go. Garen smash you. Oh, nothing different. Slimes, man. It's like the beginning zone all over again. Gotta help a brother. Grab the apples, man. They're worth something. The bandits want it. Oh.
Oh shit. Was that in?
Okay, level up, man.
Oh yeah.
Please.
Ooh.
Okay. I feel like we.
That's my crowd killed it.
Okay, we killed everything except. Oh god. Get away from me. Okay. We did it. Oh, we're versing the Giga Slime, boys.
Horrific.
Damn. That thing is like the same size as every other slime. Even our bag is bagging on this slime.
God, shit. Oh man.
Never mind, never mind. Never judge a book by its cover.
It's so cute, dude. It's so cute.
You don't want to harm any of us. Like, no. Oh god. It wants to kill us. It wants to kill us.
Hammer time. Hammer time.
Oh god, oh god.
Oh shit. We can't. Oh,
You chase him, you chase him. I got these guys. I got these guys.
Oh shit.
Look at this. Boom. Boom. Slime. Is this? Oh god, he did so much damage to me.
I did 73. Holy.
No. Oh, it's fine. Oh god. Chase him. Chase him. Not me. Not me.
Good.
Okay, he stopped. Up. Taking out the boom.
Hey, we killed
Hammer
him.
time. We defeated the slime. Whew.
Yes, we have bested the
Oh,
Giga
man.
Slime.
So we lost this competition because nothing dropped out of it. Psych! We got something. We got a card. So we can play Yu-Gi-Oh! It's time to do it. Oh my god. They've done
We
it.
got Pokemon collection, dude.
For the first time
Pokemon card collection,
in
dude.
50 years, a contestant has pulled a card. One of the rarest items in Grindea. I mean, a card? Cards are rare. I get them out of like booster packs and like starter packs. They ain't really that rare.
Dude, that was a shiny slime, dude.
Dude, it must be a hollow. So now we're collectors, it seems. Oh,
Dude,
we
we
got
got Luffy Straw Hat.
44,000.
We got Luffy Straw Hat, dude.
Bam, we got straw hats, man. You know what? We got. They look more like fedoras now.
Hey man, if you give it a red strip, it'll look like Luffy.
Ah, he thought he was gonna get first place. Sad man. You ain't getting first place. With Sushi on the job, no one gets first place. Dude, look at how serious that bunny face is.
The other one, dude, that face looks pretty sick.
Yeah, dude. So blocky. Looks like Minecraft. Well, I feel like it's a good time to say, tune in for the next part of Secrets of Grindea, where we collect things.
Yeah. Pokemon
Peace.
cards.